sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe. Wait.
So we have a guy that's really upset because his McLaren overheated, I'm assuming, or it caught on fire because he was trying to show off and was shooting flames. Leave in the comments, what do you think happened to this poor guy's exotic McLaren? Here we have probably another similar instance. Showing off, got too hot, now it's totaled. This car, this just hurts my heart. Definitely probably was showing off once again. That was a beautiful car too, and now it's not too nice. Granted, it wrecked still is nicer than most of the cars that you'll see the next time you're in town. This is just a sad sight here. Wonder what caused this car to be in this condition. It probably started off with showing off, and then it ended up like this in a junkyard. They probably still want like $70,000 for this thing, and more likely the engine is still good. So it's like you're not getting a bad deal, honestly. Like, I'm sure the engine on a Ferrari is still like 20 grand or more. See if this guy makes the jump. He made the jump, but at what cost? This guy, he got the "you up" text. A lot of questions here, like right here, like I don't understand. This right here is quite crazy. Look to your right. You know that would be absolutely terrifying. This guy should go back to video games. Don't try that at home, guys. This is why you shouldn't have a stanced car. Literally loses control on a straight road. How does that happen? This right here is a close call as well. That's a very close call. This right here.
Oh my goodness.
Dude literally almost killed himself trying to save his boat and Jeep. Wild video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, peace out.